One of the reasons I started an online business and started selling courses and started a membership program is because I didn't want to have a boss. I didn't want to work for somebody else. I wanted to make my own money. I wanted to be able to call the shots, work from cool places like this from anywhere in the world, and that's what I wanted. The problem I had, which you might have, is I didn't know what to create an online program about. I didn't know how to create a digital product. What was going to be the topic? How was I going to figure this out? How was I going to put it together? And what most people do is they'll just try to basically copy someone else or model someone else. Now, there's nothing wrong with modeling, okay? It's a very good way to learn. But what I found is you got to take your interests, the things that you're passionate about, that you really love, and then it doesn't feel like work. Now, when I get to do this, creating this video for you, it's awesome. Like, I love this. I love helping people be able to get free from this rat race that's out here. I like to help people build a thriving business that has a digital product, a digital course, something that is theirs that they can get better with and make better and grow with. But the big thing that most people do is nothing, because they don't know what they're going to do it about. But if you use ChatGPT-4 and you use this little prompt right here, you're just going to replace this part. Now, you can put as many things underneath this as you want, but basically what it does is it's all your interests, all the things that you like to do, and then it gives you a list of 50 online skills that you can learn or that you may know and improve on without having to have a degree, that you can actually sell as a service, a digital service, as a digital product. And it only includes skills that have market demand and that are aligned with your interest that you put in here. Now, I've got a guy in our Build Lab program where we teach people how to create, market, and sell their own digital products and programs and essentially make money online selling digital courses. And he's trying to figure out what it is that he likes to do. So we're in there, we're working around, he's working with people, he's getting on calls, he's helping people, and he just really finds that he loves helping people with their messaging and their copywriting and things like that. So that's what I put. He said, I like helping people with their messaging and copywriting. We put that in there and it gave me 50 different ideas. Now, what I would tell you to do is circle the top 5 and then put a star by the top 1 and then get started. And as you go through the process, as you learn how to attract people, as you learn how to convert them into leads, and then as you learn to take those leads and convert them into customers, you'll find out, do I need to change this? How do I want to do it differently? But at least it gives you the idea to get running, because you don't have to live the way you're living. And I mean, not that you're living bad, but maybe you don't like your boss. Maybe you don't want to have a job. Maybe you don't want to have to be on someone else's schedule. Maybe you want to do what it is that you love to do. This is the start. This is how you do it. I've made over 7 figures online helping people figure this stuff out for the last 10 plus years. And it's the greatest thing that ever happened to me. When I learned that I could do this, when I learned that you can create solutions for people and you can help them using the internet and live from anywhere, travel, have location freedom, and be in control of what you earn and what you get to do in your life, I could never go back. I couldn't let it out of my mind. So this is a great way to start. Here's this prompt. I hope it helps you. Let me know down in the comments, what did you come up with? What one did you star? I'd love to know, because maybe I can help you formulate your business idea.